Hi, today we're gonna figure out if these bad boys really do work.
Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they...
So I bought this Polygel that I've wanted to try for the longest time. I have the clear one, the pink, and the nude. I'm sorry those were blurry, but you get the gist. So first I'm gonna start by taking out my cuticle. Why can't I say that word? Cuticle. God damn. Anyway, I'm sorry. I like using the cuticle liquid remover because that's faster. So that takes it out pretty fast. And then after I file my the surface of my nails, because this is very important. I've been doing my nails for so long. It's very important to prep your nails. And then after I push my cuticles back, so your nails will be able to sit there nicely, and it won't lift and it will last longer. Trust me, it's very important. And then after I take a nail prep and spray this makes basically takes out the oil from your nails. Does that make sense? Gets rid of the oil, because if the nails are oily, then the nail is not gonna stick. And then after I take my dual forms, they call this the dual forms, and you have to measure your nail, make sure it's the right size, it covers each nail side to side. It's very important. And now, because I do not have a gel primer, a base coat, I have to use a top coat, which thank God for the wisdom, it worked perfectly fine for me. I've had my nails for a week now and it's still on there. Now, I don't have the slit solution that works with this gel, and I heard you can use 91% alcohol, 70% alcohol, the minimum, but I do not have none of that, and I cannot find alcohol anywhere in Canada because of the corona. So I had to stick with the 50% alcohol, which didn't really work perfectly, honestly, because you can say I keep like trying to get rid of the wet. It just sat there in there like water, literally. It was a little hard to work with, but I made it work because that's what I do, baby. But anyways, and then after all of that, oh, by the way, I did cure the base coat, the top coat that I use as a base coat. I did cure it in the lamp, and then after like doing all that, you put it on there. It's actually very, very easy. I just make sure I clean all the sides so that I don't have to file too much, and that way your nail also stays longer. And make sure you also turn your nail over and shape or, you know, get it together, the inside, so it's looking perfect. And then you cure it. I cure it in the lamp for a minute. And it's very easy to pop off too. I'm amazed. I thought all of this that they do on the internet or on TV was just fraud. It's not fraud, y'all. This thing works like magic, and the finished result is so shiny and pretty and beautiful. Like, I'm amazed. I'm blown away, if I do say so myself. But the thing I learned, the first two nails was hard, but as I went on, it got easier. But one thing I learned is that I made it too thick. The little product actually goes a long way. I made it too thick, and I bought all this thing from Born Pretty. They have an online store. No, they didn't pay me to say this, but I love that store so much. That's where I get all my nail stuff from. Born Pretty. I don't want to put their stuff down below because they ain't paying me. If they don't pay me, then I ain't doing no free promo, even though I'm already doing free promo. But you can search Born Pretty on Google to bring out the website for you, and they ship all over the country. No, you don't have to buy it there. Good news is this thing is everywhere, on Amazon, on eBay. Just Google Polygel and it's everywhere. You can buy it anywhere, trust me. So I went ahead to do the rest of the my fingers. This is not a tutorial. It's just us testing to see if this product really works. Cause I'm really nosy and I'm a nail person, and I don't know if you know by now, I'm a jack of all trade. I do everything. All glory to God for the skills. But this is just to see if this thing really works, or they've been lying to us all this while. No, all this I seen on TV nonsense. But this ain't no lie. This shit works like magic. So far you have your light, and it's not that expensive either. Like, if you're not good with doing acrylic nails or whatever, this is very easy for you to do on yourself, especially this quarantine period where you can't go nowhere. It looks after. Like, isn't that cool though? Isn't that pretty? And like I said, this is not a nail tutorial. If you want me to make a video on how I do my nails and decorate them, I can do a full video on that, but this is just a testing video. So after all of that is done, I went ahead to put some bling bling and decorations on my nails the way I like them. I'm really extra, you already know. My nails has to speak for me as well. Okay, let me just stop. And then the very important last step, put cuticle oils, because after all that filing and whatever, your cuticle will be screaming by now. So that's all of it. If you want me to make a thorough nail video, let me know. I got you, girl. I got you. And this is how the sexiness is looking after. I absolutely love it. And the top coat, you can use your top coat as your base coat. Trust me, I have tried this. Don't front, because I went all over to look for base coat. I couldn't find anywhere. Use your top coat, but make sure you don't wipe it, because then the nail can stick to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, until I see you, remember, life is what you make it. Hashtag positive vibes only. Please follow your girl on Instagram. I even have a picture of these nails on there. You will love it. Trust me. Follow me. Like this video, share, and subscribe. I love you. Mwah. Oh, please don't ask me why the display is so long. It's just some nail porn for you, okay? Thank you. Thank me even. Okay? Okay, bye. Oh, sorry. Wait. I was just trying to show you here that, see how it's really thick? So when you do your product, apply your product, a little goes a long way. You don't need it thick at all. Okay? Okay, bye for the final time now, I promise. Goodbye.